good, YouTube? And we back with another one. It's a little POV ride. Gotta run a couple errands, need some groceries and things like that. I just want to start off by saying I appreciate everyone, man, watching the videos. Again, man, last video I posted got to 1,000 views again, and the one before that reached 2,000, and that's just, to me, it's unbelievable. Like, y'all don't even understand. Like, that's just crazy to me. At first, like, I'm totally, like, not even at first, like, I'm totally fine with just getting 5 views, 10 views, you know, the people who really want to see, this, and I'm totally fine with that. Like, I totally understand, you know, not everything somebody posts or everything somebody uploads is something somebody wants to see or something everyone wants to see. But to me, it's crazy to get 1,000 views on any video. So I definitely appreciate everybody who wants to see or who feels like watching or even clicks on it or even hovers over for a little bit, the little seconds that hovers. I don't know if that counts, but whatever it is y'all doing, I appreciate it. The likes, the comments, everybody commenting. I try my best to get back to every comment as best as I could. My side mirror is pushed in. But yeah, like I was saying, I try my best to reply to everybody or try to, like, say something. Especially, you know, it's a smaller channel. I can literally see every comment, so it's not like I'm going through a million different things. So if you got something to say, you know, feel free in the comments. You know, I won't take offense to anything. Like I said before in a video before, I'm not one to take offense to anything. So if you got an opinion, you know, you can let your opinion be heard. Let it be seen. The whole world gonna see it. Whoever clicks on the video and goes to the comments gonna see it. So won't do nothing to me, but if you feel like commented, I would greatly appreciate it. Any like, subscribes to the channel, I definitely appreciate it. But yeah, right now we're on the way to, I need to go to Wegmans, get some groceries for tonight to make dinner, but I also need to go to Walmart to get some other groceries as well. I don't know about you guys, but me, I buy certain things at certain grocery stores because it's expensive, more expensive at one store than the other. Like, yeah, like, some people may argue it's not cost efficient to be driving from one store to the other. You're wasting that money in gas and whatnot, but I don't see it that way. And I also think that some grocery stores get certain things more fresh, or things are more fresh at a certain grocery store as opposed to like another store, like a big box store like Walmart. I think they get like a lot more things, and things have longer shelf lives at places like that as opposed to going to like a smaller mom and pop grocery store. I know Wegmans isn't mom and pop, but like Wegmans is definitely on a lower scale level than Walmart. They have more of their own like products as well, which I think is a plus. Get to them big stores like Walmart, Target, I don't know, things be a little old and crusty. Like going to Wegmans, Trader Joe's, places like that. in the last comment, yeah, this is my ashtray, bro. Like, chill. Yeah, bro, it's like, is that mold? It's crazy. Video before this one, but that was a snowstorm, and this is like 2 days after, well, 3 days after the snowstorm, 2 days after the snowstorm. It rained last night, all the snow's gone. Couldn't even tell it snowed. We were saying it was going to be something bad, like we were supposed to lose power. Well, I didn't see any of that. Wondering if I should go to the smoke shop first. 2 miles down. This traffic be getting heavy, and I could definitely get into Walmart now. Yeah, let's go. Everybody getting off. That's my decision right now to keep going. That was the exit from Walmart, but seeing all those cars get off, I was like, yeah, that's just telling me to keep going, and I'll get rolled up first, and then hit Walmart on the way back. Since it's going back down the highway, at least for one. Been in front of that van right there to the left on the left lane. So I'm a little bit behind now. I don't know if y'all be thinking about that when y'all be driving, like little stuff like that. Well, that take was bad. I should not have switched lanes, not behind. All stuff constantly be going through my head. But I'm about to get off too, so I'm not too worried about it. Beaming. I hope you guys are getting a good, and the sun not beaming in your face like that. We're going to see in the video. Oh, wait. One needs to get off. Not going to play no traffic. Getting off right before the traffic. This is my exit too, so it's not like I'm trying to get out the maneuver. I love when my exit comes up right before the traffic, is what I should say. There's a white bus out of here. Short bus. Gotta be back by 3, so I only got that much time. Massachusetts, jaywalking is legal. You can jaywalk anywhere, any place you like. So don't ever get caught not letting a jaywalker go by in front of a police, because you will get a ticket. It's crazy. Other states, you hit a jaywalker, you good money, you Gucci. They were jaywalking, not here. Alright, y'all, I will be back briefly, and I'll just continue going to Walmart and that'll be this clip at least. So be right back. Let's go, YouTube, we back. He didn't have what I needed in there, but I felt bad, so got some tips at least. But let's keep it pushing to Walmart real fast, because we do not have much time at all. Hope I don't get copyrighted for that. I'm in desire. Hopefully we get in and out of Walmart. We don't got too much time to waste on our hands. But after what we get out of Walmart, we'll be back on the way home to get back to work for the remaining of the day. I do have a Zoom that's gonna finish off my day today, so not really looking forward to it, but at least it's my excuse to not be doing other work. I just pay attention to what's going on in the Zoom. Hopefully I don't gotta say anything either, so I could just literally just be there chilling. Just like taking back up. What you could possibly want love in an automatic better than a manual. Like, I'm controlling the gears, I'm taking it up to the line. Like, the paddle is there, like, you get in there, but you're not there. I understand with some cars, the paddle's great, good enough, especially like a GTR. God bless, don't get me wrong. But if I could get a manual GTR, I would do that. You know, like what? Nonetheless, great cars. Manual or not, I just prefer manual. That's all. That is all. It would be like another thing. You see me cruising in second. What would you be cruising in right here? You'd be cruising in third and low RPMs, chugging away at your motor. Like what? I feel like this is what you gotta be cruising in. At least right now. Yeah, we here, man. We gotta find a parking. Oh, I found one. Don't gotta find nothing else. Right next to shopping cart. Put away. Yes. I cannot see again. I feel like I always come out here when there's sun. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching, man. Like, subscribe, comment, leave a comment, man. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know how y'all feeling about the videos. Any critiques, any likes, any opinions, whatever y'all want to see, let me know. I appreciate the views for sure, as always, man. Definitely do. Peace.